Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a private treaty property for sale located in West Montaque Heights, St. Catherine. The main building, upper floor, has 7 bedrooms, 6 baths, office, study, exercise room, living, dining, 2 kitchens, laundry, store area, balcony, fountain, 2 patios, and double carport. The ground floor has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, powder room, kitchenette, foyer, planter area, laundry room, veranda, and 2 sitting areas. Building 2 has 2 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, living, dining area, kitchen, laundry, and storage. Building 3, which is incomplete, has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living and dining area and kitchen, which is 70% complete. Building 4 is a gazebo. Building 5 is a kitchen with roof terrace. The total land area is approximately 32,534 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 41.5 million or US $269,600. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.